boys and girls, welcome back to Mrs. Rojas e-learning. So I had already recorded day 1 for your reading, the reading packet, okay, which is lesson 12, main idea and details. So just to kind of go back really quick, parents, boys and girls as well, here you have a pacing guide because I just finished doing the math day 1 and 2. It's in the same video, okay? So pace yourself with this. So I kind of have marked it like for today, you could have done day 1 for your reading and day 1 for your math. And for the reading, it was the spider story that we did, that I posted that video first. This would have been your day 2, and your day 2 is you actually reading butterflies need their colors, okay? And caterpillars, also in the same package, would also have been done for day 2 because this is going to be your independent work, which is what you'll do at the end when I'm done with this one, okay? All right, so it's going to be the same way like I posted with spiders. This one is just, it tells you like it's a matching game. You can do it as a matching game if you would like, okay, with your parents or your siblings. It's going to work the same way, covering your paragraph like this. You're going to read the first paragraph, and here, of course, you have your main idea statements already given to you, and you have to identify the main idea to the first paragraph, okay? So you have 2. So let's read these together. So it says, butterflies can hide in plain sight, okay? Meaning that they're there, right? But you really can't see them, but they're there already, and they're in plain sight. And the next main idea statement is a butterfly can change colors. So between those two, we would need to decide after we read this paragraph, we would need to decide which one of these tells me the main idea, okay? So let's kind of cover that really quickly here. So it says, butterflies come in many colors like yellow, orange, blue, purple, and green. The colors help them blend in a garden. Some are gray and brown, so they can rest on the ground or trees. These colors help them hide from birds, okay? So do cover the one, so that way you only focus on that one, all right? So now let's discuss this, okay? I have a few questions for you. This time I'm not going to give you the answers because I want you to actually be answering it out loud, okay? So question 1, what do bright colors do for butterflies? So what I want you to actually do is take a pencil or a marker, and I want you to underline it, whatever you think that answer is. What do bright colors do for butterflies? Okay, so go back and reread. Second question, where does a brown butterfly stop to rest? And I recall that I said brown, so go and look for that word. Where do they rest? Also mark it with your pencil, underline it. And your last question, who does it want to hide from? So go back and reread. Who is it hiding from? So look for those key words, hide, okay? Those are some of your clues in there. And also underline it with the pencil, okay? Now that you have that, now we understand that all of those answers that you identified, those are all your details, right, for that section. So now, you can discuss this with your parents or with a sibling or just reread it, okay? You would just talk about it, okay? Explain those details once again. Now, from all those details, tell me what did you understand? What were they mainly about? What were they mainly talking to you about, okay? And this is where, boys and girls, you would then turn and look at these 2. Main idea details, right there. They're your statements, okay? You would match whichever one you think is your main idea. Okay, this time I'm not showing you the answer, but you need to identify it. Read it again. Butterflies can hide in plain sight. Or a butterfly can change colors. Was that the whole idea from that section? Okay, so between those 2, cut it out and glue it next to your paragraph. Okay, or if you don't have scissors or glue, just write it down on the side. Okay, and then you're done. You will continue to do that with paragraph 2. Okay. You can identify for paragraph 3 and 4. They do not give you those statements because then it jumps into your caterpillar story. So for paragraph 3 and 4, I still want you to challenge yourself and go ahead and identify what you think the main idea for paragraph 3 is. Write it down. Identify what your main idea for paragraph 4 is and write it down. So here I'm doing MI, main idea. Okay, you will write that down. All right, and after that, boys and girls, then this is independent. You're going to be on your own for this one. You can have the help of your parents, but since you've already seen my first video and now this one, read section per section, go into your main idea statements. This one is included with paragraph 1, caterpillars, and then you have your additional page here. Caterpillar 1, so between these two, what would be the main idea for paragraph 1? Between these two, what would be the main idea for paragraph 2? And between these two, what would be the main idea for paragraph 3? All right? Okay, boys and girls, have fun with it. Bye.